Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing a microwave, and we have here the legendary Nova unboxings, and we have Papi unboxings. Alright, so today we're going to be testing out this microwave. You see very sturdy. Alright, so let's put a tortilla
and an Oreo. And an Oreo.
Alright.
And an Oreo.
Good enough. Good enough. Okay. Alright.
This right here.
Alright, let's press start.
Move. 3 minutes.
Alright. No time to wait 3 minutes, so let's talk about taxes. If you have a loved one,
Just cut the video. Stupid.
And now we're gonna wait 1 minute here together, guys.
You don't know how to edit, don't you?
Shut up! Alright, guys, we're waiting for the tortilla to cook. It looks amazing right now. I can't wait to eat this.
Damn, remember.
So this is an unboxing.
Drop a like. Always smash that subscribe button, remember.
Oh, it's finished. Oh yeah. Make sure to subscribe to Nova Unboxings and Papi Unboxings. Alright, let's peep this out. Someone
My
wanna
famous
try
video is
this
the
Oreo?
Cheetos unboxing video.
Try it out. Let's try out this Oreo. Here you go, Papi Unboxings. So anyways, guys, this was an amazing video. Make sure to drop a like, smash that subscribe button.
It's pretty good. Unboxing. Subscribe to Nova's unboxing.
Subscribe to Nova Unboxings and Papi Unboxings, guys. See you all in the next one.